Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.
In this lesson, we'll examine net losses from residential rental activity due to casualties and thefts. First, let's look at casualties. In the context of residential rental activity, IRS Publication 527 defines a casualty as the, quote, damage, destruction, or loss of property resulting from an identifiable event that is sudden, unexpected, or unusual, end quote. Such events include fires, storms, earthquakes, tornadoes, vandalism, terrorist attacks, or even car accidents involving the rental property. Casualties are swift events, not gradual or progressive. These events are unanticipated and abnormal. In the context of residential rental property, IRS Publication 527 defines a theft as, quote, the unlawful taking and removing of your money or property with the intent to deprive you of it, end quote. Examples of theft in this context might include the removal of fixtures by tenants before vacating an apartment, the removal of paving bricks from an outside walkway, or the removal of copper wiring from a property.
Like what you see? Get unlimited access to all of our CPE courses at www.teachucomp.com/unlimited CPE.